Hey, welcome to our lab. So today we're going to be working on lab 148. You need to confirm user cron jobs correctly, control email output, and verify the Crontab tool's permissions. As an ordinary user, what command opens/creates your cron tab? So as long as I'm logged in as myself, not root. Well, if I am logged in as myself and not root, if I do sudo crontab e option, then it's going to now be creating crons for or cron jobs for root. So what I want to do is not use sudo and use crontab e, and that should do it for open the cron jobs or cron. Yeah, it'll open up the cron tab so I can add cron jobs for myself as the user, so it could run as me and not root. Okay, so now we're opened and provide the single cron tab line to run the date command every Friday at 1 p.m. So first entry or first section inside of the cron tab is 0 because we want 0 minutes, 13th hour of the day, which is 1 p.m. Every day of the month, every month on a Friday, which is represented by 5, and then we're running the date command. Add a cron tab line to run the following path every minute, redirecting only standard output to the following path so that only standard error is mailed. Okay, so so what we could do is the first part is going to be every minute of every hour of every day of the month of every day, day of the week, because there's a difference between every day of the month and day of the week, because the day of the month is the numbers of the days, like June 1st, June 2nd, blah blah blah, and day of the week is the day of the week, like Monday through Sunday. All right, so let's see. So we want to redirect the foobar, whatever output we get from the foobar script. So let's put that here, and then we're going to redirect it. Foobar.sh, we're going to redirect the output to the following, and we're appending it to this log, output.log. And that looks good to me. Edit the previous foobar entry to remove the redirection. Okay, cool. So star. So again, just for review, every minute of every hour of every day of the month of every month of every day of the week. And basically it's going to be the same as what we wrote up there in the last command, except we're not redirecting it or appending it to a different file, the output to a different file. All right, how can you send all output from scheduled jobs to user Emma? So we just use the mail to show the long listing for the crontab binary. So ls user bin crontab. All right, and that's it for today's lab. I'll see you folks with another one tomorrow. Take care.